Hey friends, if you wish to make the webcam look better in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to adjust the webcam look in Windows settings. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. Now in the right pane, select cameras, click on the webcam, and then you can see the webcam here. Now you can adjust the brightness a little, though it will blur things. You can adjust the contrast a little. Okay, if it helps you make it better, I think that this is the appropriate one. You can adjust the sharpness a little. Okay, you can adjust the saturation a little. Okay, now you see something, saturation also impacts the color. Okay, so I think that this is the best one, and this can actually enhance your, what do we say, quality of the webcam. The second one is to adjust the screen resolution. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display. Now make sure that the display resolution is selected at the recommended setting only. Don't use any other setting because that will cause problems. Improve your lighting. Now, as you must have seen in that camera video, that the lighting was very impactful. The lighting creates an impact, so try to bring the light closer to you, even though the lumens remain the same. But when you bring it closer, then the brightness is impacted. Try keeping a clear background, because if there's a messy background, right, let us say you have a black background, then the black background will absorb light, and if it is a white background, it will reflect way too much light. So you keep a clear background, but keep it in some color like yellow or red or green or something. Then use a third party video maker like OBS. I use OBS, and all you need to do is that you need to add a video camera here, and that will be helpful. So that is how you can use the webcam with the webcam tool. Don't use the camera tool. I don't recommend it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.